Namaste. Hello friends. Today I am going to show you how to make a game using only shapes. This game also can be inserted in your art file as this becomes a product design. So in this video I am going to show you how to make the game and also how to play this game. This is like a quiz or like a mind teaser game. So let us begin. Now, on a piece of paper, that is A4 size paper, you draw grids of equal size. And then inside the grids, you draw the shapes triangle, circle, square, superimpose it, and then you Xerox that same design and then cut the Xeroxed copy into small pieces. Now color these squares, these shapes in 3 colors. The color choice is yours. Here I have used the primary colors red, yellow and blue. So this is how the finished game product looks like. On a A4 paper, you will see the full picture of squares, triangles and circles colored in primary colors. Then I have made a similar design and I have cut them into cards, small cards. So let us see how the game is played now. Place the A4 size card, the big one, on a table and then choose any 3 cards, pick up 3 cards randomly and place it next to you. Now time yourself and with minimum time you will have to figure out and match the cards which is there on the board. So this is how the game is played. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye.